or kaleidoscope, I think. But yeah, it's basically everything's in neon, but there's no scoring. Like I like going to the rides where you get to see what you got.
I think this side's freakier because you can see the whole clip the whole way.
They're both pretty good. You want that? I want to get some off-ride footage of it.
They're enjoying getting the off-ride from the cave, so that's the ferry cave. I've heard you got the observation deck there.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
But if no one's riding it.
Right, exactly. Yeah, it took me about 2 hours and 10 minutes from Denver. So it's not a terrible ride to get to Elitch.